Please, tickets? Well, you're coming?
It's magic carpet on a rail.
Never take the rest.
Flying through the mountains and the snow.
You can ride the freedom.
If you say yes, that's the way things happen on the Polar Express.
You bet.
Lots of doors as the summer sea.
Golly, let it go.
Anybody's guess.
'Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express.
When we get there, we'll see.
Yeah. It's a choo-choo with a stunning view that rivals all the rest, but you won't ever see it advertised. It's a simple fact, we stay on track, though sometimes we digress, but that can only happen on the Polar Express. That's the sound of her breathing. And lots to eat. You can be our guest. Roller Coaster, the Polar Express. Next stop, 11344 Edbrook Avenue.